Welcome to our home. My wife and I recently got married and we moved into this 1,000 square feet condo located in the heart of Klang Valley. As we enter the home, we have some wall hooks and a key holder at the sides that house our everyday carry essentials. That way we never lose our keys or forget our masks when we head out. The first area that we're greeted by is our dining area. It is anchored by an oval hanging pendant light and an arched shaped table together with 4 foldable acrylic chairs. The mismatched amber colored chair acts as an accent piece, injecting some life into the space. As we're able to fold the chairs, at most times we have 2 of the chairs put to the sides as it's usually just the 2 of us. And when our maid does the cleaning, we put all of them aside. We could also set the table to seat up to 6 people when we're hosting more guests. And talking about hosting guests, we spend quite a bit of our time in the kitchen preparing food. As it's quite a small space, we added many additional storage and organization to make it a more enjoyable and functional space. We mainly used adhesive hooks, organizing racks, and magnetic lighting that we found really helpful with that. There'll be links down in the description box below if you're interested in that. Moving on to our favorite space is our living room. As we spend most of our time here, we put a lot of thought into making it a space that will help us carry out habits that make us live. To decompress and recharge after a long day of work, have conversations with one another, and to renew our minds reading books. When we're in the mood for some movies or video games, we would bring our portable TV setup out from our storage room and change the color of our wall lights to set a different ambience. More on the design process in our makeover video if you're interested. Onto the rooms, we kept our bedroom fairly minimal as we only use it to sleep. To make the space feel cozy and inviting for a good night of rest, we created different layers of lighting and made sure to invest in a nice set of bedding. For our home office, we made sure to have some plants to help us feel more relaxed when we work. To organize the different items that we need, we used shelves, racks, and hooks to make sure they all have their own home. We also created multiple layers of lighting for different moods to ensure we have the optimal lighting environment to work in. More on the design process in our makeover video. And that just about concludes the quick tour of our home. We hope you enjoyed that. Let us know if you have any questions down in the comment section below and subscribe for more future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.